Hello! Today we are unboxing a motherboard from Sapphire Technology. Yes, they do make motherboards, and for some time now, but only for Chinese market. With this model they're coming out for a worldwide market. In the past they produced A520, A620, B650, and now this is a motherboard with B850 chipset for AM5 AMD CPUs. As we can see, the box is pretty standard. And now let's see what it contains. So the first thing that we see is a Wi-Fi model notice. And this motherboard has a WiFi7 with 160 MHz channel. There's an antenna for Wi-Fi and for Bluetooth. It has a little stand. And we fit it like this. So next we have a quick installation guide, which is pretty fat. And that's rare these days, since everybody moved to the online manuals for motherboards. Also, we have some SATA cables here. And now let's check the motherboard. Is there anything else? No. So the bundle is not particularly rich, but it's enough. The motherboard itself comes in anti-static bag, and it is laid like this on a foam, so it doesn't get damaged from underneath. So here we have a nicely designed motherboard with some M2 coolers. We have a sticker also here. So this is a rather large VRM cooler. Underneath we have a 12+1+2 phases of VRM, and the MOSFETs are 55 amps each. The sound codec is a little bit older, audio codec. It's ALC 897 from Realtek. We also have a 2.5 gigabit LAN, which is good. And as we can see, the PCB is completely black with black DIMM slots, black ports. We also have 3 PCI Express slots, which are all protected with metal. And this is the front, or rather back IOs. We also have one Type-C connector here, which is 20 gigabits per second. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, and look out for the review, which is coming soon.